The map feature is available to all users on the new mobile UX. The map includes visual layers of the central county service area and several different layer options that can be selected by the units. Offline and offline base maps contain the identical layers and should include hydrant and pre-plan iconography for any agency whose data we have. Additional layers can be selected by clicking Manual, Operational Layers, and toggling the layers needed by the user. At any point, the user can go back and reselect the online base map that will default back to the standard map view. Units can also use the Snap View button to view any selected call for service and where they lie in relation to the call for service. Clicking any point on the map will launch the Identify feature and pull up additional details about the location or plot clicked, including address and distance. Users in future versions will be able to launch navigation directly from this view. At this time, the navigation to a point not affiliated with a call for service will cause an error that may close the mobile application. Clicking the navigation arrow on this screen will center the user on the map. Additional clicking will switch to a view that expands the view further ahead of the unit in the direction of travel. Users can also zoom in or out via scroll, pinch to zoom, or the plus minus buttons available on the map. Preset zoom levels have been established to quickly snap to a specific zoom level for all users. Units and calls for service will be available at various zoom levels and can be zoomed in or out of at the user's need. When viewing calls on the map, you will see the unit assigned and the problem nature in a banner near the call for service. To toggle the labels on and off the call banner, you can click the quotation button on the right side of the screen. Spatial bookmarks are also available to the users. Spatial bookmarks are preset zoom levels over pre-designated locations. This feature has currently not been built out, but will be expanded based off user feedback in future versions of the mobile CAD. As a reminder, the calls visible on the map are determined by the watch list, while the units visible on the map are determined by the filter in the units queue.